Let me show you how to use the MDF protector. First, install the module onto the back mount frame. Next, use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the module and cut the extra wires one by one. By the way, the MDF protector is used for STG modules, which forms the protection circuit for the protection of exchange room equipment and personnel against overvoltage and overcurrent. Moreover, the housing of the protector is flame retardant, high temperature resistance, and aging resistance. Finally, install the MDF protector onto the module. It is one-pair modular design protector. It's done. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.